Morning children, welcome back to another session with me. I am Sonali ma'am and today we are going to do numeracy and our topic is addition. So children, you have already learned how to do addition, right? Today I am going to show you some pictures where through activity we will do a quick revision of addition and then we will do some exercises in our class workbook. So let's begin. So we are going to do revision of addition. Here I've got some pictures and we are going to add and we are going to count. What do I have here? 1 plus 1 joker is equal to 1, 2. 2 jokers. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Next, what do I have here? Star. Yes. How many stars? 1, 2. 2 stars. And this is plus. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. So 2 plus 4 is equal to how many? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. Okay. Next. 1, 2. 2 apples. Plus 1, 2. 2 more apples. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. 4 plus, there is no bird here. So that means it's 0. So 4 plus 0 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. Yes. Then what do I have here? Lovely aeroplanes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 aeroplanes plus, how many are here? 1. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Next we have is butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 butterfly plus how many are here? 1, 2 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is equal to, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 6 plus 3, 9. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves plus 1, 2 leaves is equal to 5 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That's right. 5 plus 2, 7 leaves. So this was a small activity cum revision. You also can get objects in the house and do it the same way. Children, please open your class workbook to page number 106. Here we will do our addition, draw objects and add. Okay, so first we begin with today's date, 3.2.21. Now the first number we have here is 3. So we will make 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And here we have which number? Yes, 1. So we will make 1 circle. So now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles in total? 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Next we have number 7. So here we will make triangle. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangles. And here we have 0. 0 means nothing. So 7 plus 0 is equal to, how many triangles we drew? 7. So our answer is 7. Next we have number 6. So we will draw 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. And here which number? Number 2. So we will draw how many? Yes, children, we'll draw 2 squares. 1, 2. Now 6 plus 2, let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. Next we have number 5. So we will draw stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. And here we have 1. So we will draw how many, children? Yes, 1 star. So 5 plus 1 is equal to, let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. Next we have number 4. So we will draw ice cream. So we'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4 ice creams. And here we have number 5. So how many ice creams we'll draw? Yes, we will draw 5 ice creams. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count now. In total, how many ice creams do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer will be 9. Okay. Next we have number 8. So we will draw oval shape. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 oval shape. And here we have 0. 0 means nothing. We don't have to draw anything, right? So our answer will be 8 plus 0 is equal to how many we drew? Yes. So our answer will be 8. Very good. Next we have 3. So we will draw flowers. 1, 2, 3. And here we'll draw 3 more flowers because here again there is number 3. 1, 2, 3 flowers. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer will be 6. Next we have number 2. So let's draw diamond shape. 1, 2. And here number 7. So how many diamond shape do we have to draw? 7. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count now. 2 plus 7 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer will be 9. Okay, this is how you have to do page number 106.
On this page, we will not draw, but we will do addition in a new way. Addition with head and fingers. It means we have to keep the greater number in our head and a smaller number on our fingers. So let's start.
Okay, children, now please open to page number 107 and let's begin with today's date 3.2.21. 1. Let's begin with the first sum. 4 plus 4. So 4 in your head and 4 on your fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Next is 6 plus 3. So here we will put the greater number in our head and the smaller number, which is 3, on our fingers. Okay. So 6 in your head. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Next we have 7 plus 2. So here again what we will do? Greater number in your head and 2 on your fingers. So after 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Next we have 4 plus 5. So again here which number will come in our head? The greater number, 5. So 5 in our head and 4 on our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. We have 3 plus 4. So 4 in our head and 3 on our fingers. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next we have 1 plus 2. 2 in our head, 1 on our finger. After 2, 3. Answer is 3. Next, 9 plus 0. So 9 in our head and 0, nothing. So answer is, what is in our head? Number 9. So answer is 9. Here we have 0 plus 4. So 4 is the greater number. So 4 in our head and again 0. So nothing. So answer is number 4. Very good. Next we have 2 plus 4. 4 in our head, 2 on our finger. After 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Next, 4 plus 3. 4 in our head, 3 on our fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next, 8 plus 1. 8 is a greater number. So 8 in our head, 1 on our finger. So after 8, 9. Answer is 9. Next, 7 plus 0. So 7 in our head and 0 means nothing. So answer is 7. This is the solution for this page of our sums.
Now for your practice work, you will open your homework book to page number 64 and you will do these addition sums. Now the first sum is 7 plus 2. So please remember children, 7 being the greater number will be in your head and 2 on your fingers. So 7 in your head plus 2 is 9. Okay, so you will do this full page of addition sums.
I hope you enjoyed today's session. Till we meet again tomorrow, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.